In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and pay for an app on Monday.com. This process will help you enhance your project management experience by integrating new tools and functionalities into your workspace. Monday.com offers a variety of apps that can be found in their app marketplace, ranging from basic integrations to more advanced features. These apps are designed to extend the platform's capabilities and are perfect for customizing your workflows. To begin exploring all these fantastic options, you'll want to start by opening the Monday.com marketplace. Head to the top right corner of your screen and look for a puzzle icon. A simple click on this icon will open the door to an array of available apps, each offering different functionalities to suit your needs. As you browse through the marketplace, you'll find that some apps offer free plans, while others might require payment after a trial period. Speaking of trials, many of these apps will generously provide a 14-day free trial period for you to test the waters before making any commitments. Once you've zeroed in on an app that catches your eye, click on it to get a closer look. Here you can read more about what the app offers, and if it feels like a good fit for your team, click on the Install App button. Do keep in mind that different apps will have varying requirements for authorization and setup. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a smooth installation process. Now, if you find yourself in love with the app you've installed and you decide that you want to continue using it beyond any trial period, it's time to purchase a subscription. To do this, you'll need to return to the Monday.com marketplace by clicking on the puzzle icon once more. In the marketplace window, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Installed option. Click on this to reveal a list of all the apps you've installed. From this list, locate the app you wish to upgrade and click on View App. You'll then navigate to the Billing tab, which is typically an easy find within the app's interface. Under this tab, you'll see the Upgrade Plan option. Clicking on this will guide you through choosing a suitable plan that meets your needs and budget. To finalize everything, proceed with the payment process. The guided steps will ensure everything is in order, from verifying your account details to securely processing the payment. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a bit of decision-making, you've successfully installed and paid for a Monday.com app, laying the groundwork for even more efficient and customized project management in your workspace. I hope this guide was helpful and happy managing.